Hi, I'm Damien from Edmonds Facilitation. Today I'd like to talk about a fairly hot topic, emotional intelligence in the workplace. As a manager, you're likely to be running a busy team, and your results are going to be measured against that team. Developing relationships, navigating emotions, building trust. And that's where emotional intelligence, or EQ, comes in. Being able to balance your ego with the empathy for others is no easy task. But if you're able to make decisions that identify both your own emotions as well as from those around you, then you're able to take your leadership to a whole new level. Our EQ assessment and team workshop helps managers to do just that, to drive better decisions from those within the team. Through an online assessment, we identify individuals' core emotional skills, helping the whole team to understand what it means to lead and follow with EQ. Whether you're leading a cross-functional team or maybe just navigating workplace dynamics, and this workshop provides teams with a practical tool not only to resolve conflict, to boost collaboration, but also to enhance team performance. Imagine a workplace where teams communicate more openly, and that's the power of emotional intelligence within the workplace. So if you're ready to boost your leadership to a whole new level, then reach out to find out more.